I'd say that software development and software engineering is a craft the same way, you know, leather or carpentry or smithing from, previous eras, that any of these other things are crafts as well. But the difference between software and these other skilled jobs are that when software was first introduced, it was already a total slave and servant to stakeholder capitalism. So, with other crafts, what made a good metal, metallurgy, and what made good leather, and what made, good lumber, and what made good homes and fixtures and anything else, these were mostly driven by the masters who would, develop their craft over time and pass it on. When software really started to hit in the 60s and the 70s and especially in the 80s, it was already solely a tool of stakeholder capitalism. So software, what is good and what is bad in software is largely driven by what is good and bad for the market as opposed to what is good and bad for its own sake. Just good software, good quality. You even see this, and I'm not holding anybody to blame, but it's the reality of the matter is you can have really good code, right? Write clean code, write good code, but this is being phased out in favor of write dirty code, write spaghetti code, write fast code, and it's leaning into this philosophy that the best code is the code that can be quickly replaced, right? Because software and market demands move so quickly that nothing stays around for too long. So when we're writing software, we're not even writing things that are meant to last. We're writing things that are meant to work for a little bit and then are quickly replaced when something better comes along.